Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to talk about a pretty remarkable piece of Japanese technology that's quietly changing one of the most basic things in our lives: water. It's like an invisible force, and we're going to see what it's all about. I mean, think about that for a second. What if just one simple device could upgrade every single drop of water you use? Not just in your kitchen, but for your whole house, your business, everything. We're going to explore a technology that says it can do just that by unlocking this hidden power that's already inside ordinary water. So this whole story, it really starts with something incredibly tiny, so small you literally can't see it. We're talking about ultra-fine bubbles. These things are about 1,000th the width of a human hair. It's a technology where Japan is leading the world, and honestly, it's the key to everything we're about to discuss. All right, so how does a simple-looking device create billions of these powerful and visible bubbles? It's not a gimmick or some kind of magic trick. It's all about brilliant, patented engineering. Let's get into how it actually works.
And this right here is the core innovation. A lot of other products out there use what's called a bypass design. That means, and this is crazy, over 80% of the water might just flow right past without being treated at all. But this device, with its patented dual structure, forces 100% of the water through the bubble generator. Every single drop gets transformed.
Now, this clever design also fixes a huge problem with other systems: water pressure. I mean, some competitors can cut your pressure by 40, even 60%. That's a massive drop. But with this one, the loss is around 5%. You probably wouldn't even notice it. You get all the amazing benefits of the technology without giving up a good, strong shower. And get this, it's built to be totally set it and forget it. There are no filters to change, no cartridges to buy, no electricity costs. It's made from this super durable rust-resistant brass, comes with a 10-year warranty, and it's certified safe for drinking water. You install it once, and you're good to go for the long haul. Okay, so that's the tech. It sounds great on paper, but how does it actually hold up in the real world? Let's look at how this all works when you put it in some really tough spots, places where cleanliness is absolutely everything. So let's start with JR Kyushu, a huge railway company in Japan. Imagine their problem: thousands of people using their station restrooms every day. They had this relentless issue with stubborn odors and grime that just wouldn't go away, no matter how much they cleaned. So they decided to try something new. The real enemy in those toilets, and probably in your pipes at home too, is this nasty stuff called biofilm. It's a sticky, slimy, and super resilient community of bacteria. It's what causes the smells and clogs, and it's a real pain because it protects itself and grows right back after you scrub it. This is the invisible enemy that ultrafine bubble water is just fantastic at defeating. The power of this tech really becomes clear in places like dental clinics. One dentist, Dr. Miyoshi, was talking about his plaster trap, which is, notoriously smelly in a dental office. After installing the system, it was basically odor-free. He said he could put his nose right up to it and smell almost nothing. That's a huge deal. But here's the kicker that dentists found. It wasn't just about the smell. They realized this water did the same cleaning job as the harsh chlorine chemicals they used to use, but without all the damage to their super expensive equipment. Plus, no extra maintenance costs. It's a win-win. So, if it can solve these really tough professional problems in toilets and dental clinics, you can just imagine the incredible ripple effect it has in all these other parts of our lives. Think about coin laundries, for instance. The benefits just start stacking up. The water cleans better, so you need less detergent. It gets rid of those musty odors in the machines. It even softens fabrics naturally, which is awesome for people with sensitive skin or allergies. And it's not just about cleaning things. It's about the people using the water. In beauty salons, the staff saw a huge difference. This professional said her hands used to be constantly rough from being in water all day, but they got so much better after they made the switch. That's a real, tangible benefit. The gentle power of this water is also a game changer for pets. This pet salon owner tells this amazing story about a rescue dog with a bad skin condition. Because this water is so gentle, they could give the dog the frequent baths it needed without causing irritation,
And now its skin is in great shape. So look, these everyday improvements are fantastic. But what's really mind-blowing is how this technology scales up to help tackle massive, even global problems. Let's talk about a place where water quality is literally a matter of life and death, a dialysis clinic. Patient safety is everything. Clinical studies have actually shown that using this tech helps stop that nasty biofilm and scale from building up. This keeps new equipment clean and even suggests it could make the critical filters last longer.
And this isn't just in clinics. The technology is having a huge impact on global food security. In Thailand, it's helping to save the shrimp farming industry from a devastating disease. In Vietnam, it's helping to stabilize lobster farming by cleaning up the water and getting rid of sludge. We're talking about reviving entire industries.
So when you put all of this together, from cleaner bathrooms to safer food, what you're really looking at is the creation of a whole new standard for the water we use every single day.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This technology's smart and effective design just won a prestigious Good Design Award. The judges pointed out two key things. One, it's amazing engineering, making all those bubbles without killing your water pressure. And two, its massive potential for protecting the environment, because you just don't need as many harsh chemicals.
So in the end, it all just boils down to this. It's a single, powerful upgrade that you install one time, right at the water meter. It changes the water for your whole property, making it cleaner, gentler, more effective, all while being this long-term, no-fuss investment in your home and the planet.
And that really leaves you with a final thought, doesn't it? If we can so radically improve something as fundamental as water with a simple, invisible change, it just makes you wonder what other parts of our world are just waiting to be upgraded in the same way.